Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the laptop and getting connectivity. Plug in, press the power button, and connect to Wi-Fi so updates can download. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account if you want cloud sync, or create a local account for privacy. Make that choice now. Make sure battery is above 20% or keep the charger connected. Windows Update will download critical patches, so allow it to run before adding software, because doing updates first avoids driver conflicts and saves time later. You now configure the system and install what you need. Open settings and adjust privacy options like location and camera permissions. This protects your data. Next, check Device Manager and install or update drivers from the manufacturer for graphics and Wi-Fi. Reboot after driver installs to finalize changes. Then install essential apps, your preferred browser, antivirus, an Office suite, and a backup tool. Make sure to download installers from official sources to reduce malware risk and ensure compatibility. You finish by securing and tuning the laptop. Create a restore point and a system image so you can recover quickly and schedule automatic backups. Then calibrate display brightness and color, set power plans for battery life versus performance, and customize keyboard shortcuts to speed tasks. If something goes wrong, try safe mode first to isolate drivers, then use System Restore to revert recent changes. If issues persist, reinstall Windows from recovery media. This sequence minimizes data loss and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.